Last night, Ford took the wraps off of their much-anticipated 2021 Bronco. They held a live event across all of their social media channels that was not full of fluff or boring talks from a stage. The whole event was completely focused on the vehicle itself. It is a nice-looking SUV with a very aggressive stance that should make the folks at Jeep sit up and take notice. However, this video is not about the exterior of the new Bronco. It is about the very nicely appointed interior of this vehicle. Wow Motoring has obtained some nice footage of the interior of both the 2-door and 4-door Ford Bronco. We will begin with the 2-door interior footage. We think the interior of the 2-door Ford Bronco is very nice while maintaining a rugged appearance. Some of the more obvious features are the dual cup holders that are nicely sized, along with what appears to be a wireless cell phone charger. The interior has a nice two-tone leather with a high-quality look. The tan and black give a nice contrast that is pleasing to the eye. With the top removed, the view to the sky is breathtaking. This may be a better view than what the Wrangler currently gives us. The driver information system looks to be high quality with a lot of useful off-road features. The interior of the 2-door and the 4-door Wranglers are quite different. That's why we are covering them separately in this video. Next is the interior of the 4-door.